pre-market, bid and ask. Last print right here, right now, at 9:07 pre-market. Look at this. Somebody loved to pay $6.28, didn't they? Look at that $2 wide bid and ask in pre-market futures. Now show me how you're going to get your entry. Show me how you're going to get your entry when it's $3 wide right here. See who the sucker is that's going to buy my short with my limit order up out there, and let them buy my short to that gap price, to that bid, to that ask, and then getting out in the middle of it. Show me how you're going to do it. How are you going to work with that bid and that ask in pre-market? Each and every one of you, ask yourself the real question as you sit there and look at it. What is your emotion? You know what it is. Get real with yourself. How are you going to get that entry? How are you going to steal that bid from the crook? How are you going to get below the market and then sell it back and beat the people who create this in the futures market with the public who doesn't have a fair hand? What are they supposed to do when the poor people look at that? They don't know what to do, but we do. And we got our bids out there. And we have them down there because we know how to get below that bid. We also know how to sell short above that ask. And then we know how to get someone to buy it from us in the middle. And that's what it's about. When you're going to be involved in a very high volatile bid and ask transaction, you're going to need to be guided correctly, or you don't belong in this business. It's just that simple. Do yourself a favor now and get away from it, or learn how to use the system that these people create and beat them at their game. And that's the road that you want to go down, and that's the way you want to be trained. Bid ask pre-market 6:10 a.m. 12/22/2011. This is just to let people understand what a bid and ask is in pre-market, and how are you going to make an intelligent decision out of it to even start with. This is called the exchange model bid and ask.